boy Ghost, Off Track TV, coming to you not from the video you're watching, but from recording on my phone at the moment. And you're probably wondering why. In fact, you probably already know why, because of the title of the video. I've had my first crash after almost 2 years riding on the roads problem free. Yesterday, Saturday the 2nd, early in the morning, around 6:20, guy in a silver Ford Focus decided he was going to do a U-turn. It's a couple yards in front of me while I was taking up 2 lanes of traffic so suddenly, and yeah, I was going too far. I wasn't even going fast, but I was going too fast to stop. Ended up low siding the bike just before I hit him, trying to swerve and brake at the same time. I'm kind of beating myself up. I should have known when I saw him going to the left lane. I should have just anticipated, but you know, early in the morning I wasn't awake, I wasn't alert, and these are the things that happen when you're not alert. You know, split second. But anyway, I'm healthy, I'm fine. A couple grazes on my knee, a little bit sore, but other than that, I'm good, man. I've got a new bike. I know what you're thinking, right? I know what you're thinking, okay? Copying what Blaze is doing. I swear this is so random. This is so random. I was speaking to Blaze the other day, and even he was saying, like, you're trying to copy me, mate. But yeah, I'll be getting a courtesy bike until my bike is fixed. We're going through insurance, of course. And I don't know what bike I'm getting. In fact, I haven't even arranged for the courtesy bike yet. All I know is that I'm getting one. So I need to speak to them on the phone, waiting for them to call me, and hopefully this week it will happen. Yeah, I think that's all of an update I can give to you for now. Yeah, that's it. So next time I see you, I'll be picking up my courtesy bike. They'll be delivering it to me and handing off my old bike. Yeah. So without further ado, I'll see you probably in the next couple days. I'll see you guys soon. Love. And a week later, we're back. And don't watch the cup in the corner. It's early in the morning, like 9 o'clock. I've just come from work a couple hours ago, so don't watch that. I thought I'd give you a look at the bike quickly while we're waiting for the guy to come with the new bike. Yeah, look at the front end, man. It's all smashed up. And that whole front end actually is what hit the rear of his car. The whole thing's just gone. See the speedometer there, it's gone. I've got a couple pieces of the front end in a bag. That's how bad it is. Sorry about my voice, by the way. Got a bit of a cold. And then I apologise. But yeah, as you can see the sides here, they're all dragging on the floor, completely just destroyed. Even the back here, when it went down, all cracked up and messed up, man. The whole thing's just gone, broken. The handlebars ain't so bad. Little scratches on the brakes there. But yeah, coming to the other side, it's all just a mess, man. The other side obviously it fared better because I never fell on that side, thank God. The exhaust is on that side, so I'll have to buy that back again. But yeah, man, that's the bike. That is the bike. But let's go and see now when the guy pulls up. Let's take a look at what I got. It's like the upright version. It's not a sport bike like my one, but it's the upright version. But it's just as good. That's beautiful. No, I'm upset with a minute if I got a different bike. Something like that. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, this is beautiful. Listen to this, listen to this. Nothing, absolutely nothing. What's good, people? This your boy Ghost. Off Track TV, so nice to say that. And today I'm back on a bike. It feels good to be back on 2 wheels, man, I can't lie to you. Oh, I like this thing. GSXS, beautiful little thing. Oh man, I'm just happy to be back on 2 wheels, man. I was off 2 wheels for a good week, man. Yeah, a good week, and it was sad. I hated it. I had to take a cab. I didn't even want to take the bus, man. I hate the bus, so I just took a cab instead, and even that couldn't satisfy me. But yeah, I picked this up yesterday. It's the first time I've been on it, you know, just actually going out on my own accord. The only time I went on it was to go to work. But now I can actually have a little go on this thing, this little beauty. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do a review on this thing. Well, I don't think I will be able to do a review on it, and I'll tell you why. So tomorrow, Thursday, I have a surgery on my eye, and basically the recovery is going to take quite a while, a couple of weeks, so I'm not sure exactly when I'll be better, and you know, in a couple of weeks my bike will be back and I won't have this anymore. So unfortunately I don't think I'll have enough time to do a review on this thing, which is kind of sad. This might actually be my last ride on this. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking with me for this long. So yeah guys, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate you guys. 120 subs, tons of likes, tons of views. It's crazy that we just started this thing only this year, man. Hopefully I'll see you again very soon. No Blaze is going over to Cyprus, so you guys can follow his journey. It's going to be absolutely crazy. It'll be madness. And I know he's looking forward to see you guys, see what you guys think of his content while he's down there. So once again, thank you, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Love.